Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to buy the S&P 500 on Bitget. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Bitget. Make sure to download the app and update it to the latest version. Once you've done that, open the Bitget app and log into your account using your password. After logging in, tap on Markets in the bottom left corner. Then tap on the search bar and type US 500, which is how the S&P 500 is listed on Bitget. You will see the US 500 trading option appear in the search results. Simply tap on it, enter your desired amount, and place your order to buy the S&P 500. And that's it. You've successfully purchased the S&P 500 on Bitget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more investing and trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.